What's up, y'all? So welcome back to another video. Today's video is a pack with me. I am so excited. I am getting ready to go to Capetown, South Africa. I will be on this trip for 8 amazing days. I am not checking a bag. I am doing it all in my carry-on, and I'm gonna bring you with me. How about that? All right, let's get started. Okay guys, so here is what I have so far. This is my suitcase. Ignore the chaos that is my closet right now. But so this is my suitcase. I don't know what the brand is, but one of the reasons that I love this, I actually bought it from a Luggage outlet store, that it has compression on both sides, which is great. But this is my suitcase. It is a carry-on. It's a smaller size carry-on, which is why this is going to be a huge challenge. This is my personal item, my laptop backpack. I love this. I found this on Amazon. My daughter has one and she uses it for college, and so the interior, and I'll show you in a second, but the interior is a wide open space, so it doesn't have a lot of sections and compartments, which makes it a great personal item. I also found this this little crossbody. I bought it because it has the hooks so that I could change out my strap. I probably won't use it for anything other than like travel, simply because it's that weird material. It's kind of like pleather or hashtag or quote, vegan vinyl. But yeah, it's not cute, but it works for travel, getting wet, things like that. And so it's going to be perfect for that. I'm taking my Tiva sandals, my Lucky slides. I'm taking my Asics and house slippers. Okay, so here are all the clothing items. I have a bunch of t-shirts. I am the t-shirt queen. So I have pretty basic t-shirts, white, black. I have one in army. Yeah. So, and they're pretty much the same t-shirt. They're just different colors. Just because, and this is my normal wardrobe. I'm taking a pair of leggings and a pair of bikers. My tripod. And then I have a pair of denim jeans. A pair of these kind of military joggers. Another pair of kind of lightweight sweats, and my black stretchy slacks from Banana Republic. I love these because if you've ever spilled coffee or anything on you, it literally runs off. I love these, and they're super stretchy, very comfortable. So I'm also taking a Banana Republic duster. Oh no, this is Gap. Yeah, but it's just a long duster. It's a lightweight duster. It's not super thick. A tank top. This is all my lounge stuff. Tank top, some shorts, 2-piece lounge set, pajamas, this cap that I wear all the time. And then this is my Magellan raincoat. So yeah, this is what I'm packing. Oh, and there's one more thing that's with my seamstress, which is just like a sheath dress. It didn't have pockets, so I wanted her to add pockets, and so I took it to my seamstress. She's adding pockets, and that's one dress. It's just cotton. It's a lightweight cotton. This is everything that's gonna go in there. I have these packing cubes over here. I found these at Marshall's. They're kind of structured. So I'm thinking I may end up just using these for like my liquids. they came in 3 sizes, so the smaller one I think will be perfect for my liquids. But as far as my clothes, I'm going to try to fold and then get in the suitcase first. And then if that doesn't work, I'm going to pull out my packing cubes. Alright, so here is the inside of my suitcase. Like I said, there is this double compression on each side, which is pretty dope. And it is pretty deep on one side. So I think I'm gonna be okay, to be honest. This is the side with the arm. So I'm gonna save that as my last resort side. Alright. This is what we got going on. Let's make it do what it do. I might have this with stuff. It's just a space. Blah. It's just like to hold the space for me right now because I don't know. I don't know yet. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna have, yeah, so this works. Underwear, and then I don't normally need, but I'm gonna do it. I legit probably should wear my Asics, but I'm not because I'm not gonna wear them because it's easier for me to wear my Luckies because I can slip them on and off, and when I'm on the plane I can easily slip my foot out of my shoes and into my sling that I bought. So this is everything that's gonna go in here, so that's not too bad at all. I might put these in here just in case my Tevas end up having sand and stuff on it. I don't want that all in my suitcase. Or whichever one ends up being the dirty shoe. I'll have these in here. So that's everything, y'all. That's all. This stuff has to be done, but this is what I'm most excited about. And then all of this needs to get unboxed and put inside of here. My underwear is going to go in a packing cube. On the other side, and I'm already saving a space for those, so that will be like underwear. I could probably put that tote right here. This is laundry, my sneakers, Tevas are in there. I have everything. I did it.